Today I will take you through a bread roll recipe that makes beautiful rolls with cracked lines on top, giving them a rustic look and a delicious appeal. Let's get started. We begin by making a pre-dough. In a bowl, mix 125 grams of flour with 75 milliliters of lukewarm water, 1 gram of dry yeast, stir well until combined. Cover the bowl and let it rest either in the fridge for overnight or at room temperature for around 4 hours. In a large bowl, mix 275 grams of flour, 3 grams of yeast, and 10 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, followed by 15 grams of softened butter. Add the pre-dough. Keep mixing until rough dough is formed. Now lightly flour your workspace. Knead until you get a smooth, elastic dough. Cover the dough and let it rest at room temperature for 1 hour. Now lightly flour your workspace. Now divide the dough into 12 equal portions. Shape each portion into a ball. Shape each portion into a ball, then gently fold the edges of each ball towards the center, creating a fracture line. Once you're finished, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, seam side up and cover them up again. Let them rest for another 60 minutes. Carefully pour a cup of water into a baking tray to create steam. Place the tray at the lowest rack. Place the tray at the lowest rack. Preheat your oven to 240 Celsius. Immediately lower the oven temperature to 200 Celsius and bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy!